Welcome back, Tech Geeks. It only takes a single drop to break your brand new phone. Today we're going to be talking about how to keep your phone protected. The easiest way to keep your phone protected is to keep it in a case. This is especially necessary if you have a phone with an all-glass back. Now, if you're clumsy or you just want to make sure your phone has the utmost protection, take a look at cases by Speck, OtterBox, and Mouse. They make some fantastic cases that are sure to protect your phone from even the most disastrous of drops. And don't forget about the front of your phone. Make sure your phone is wearing a screen protector. If you want to make sure your phone has the very best screen protector on it, make sure it is made of tempered glass. Also, insurance. It is a very good thing to have. Phone manufacturers and phone service providers offer an insurance coverage package at an additional cost. It might be something you want to have next time you have a not so fun phone accident. It was for me. I used to have a Nexus 6P. It broke, it was covered, they covered everything. They gave me a new phone. It was awesome. I'm your host, Jamarco. I hope you enjoyed this episode of 60 Second Tech, and I will see you next time on Tech Geek 365.